if you're coding or you want to learn how to code, then you should definitely have these books. Let me show you what I mean. Come on. All right, so we're gonna do a quick browse through the books, and well, if you're intimidated by the size of these books, well, that's another sign that you're not really ready to learn, because there's a thick books, as you can see. These are coding books, so you're not gonna get the smallest books in the world, you know. I mean, the PHP and Mysequel being the thickest, to the JavaScript, I'm sorry, to the HTML and CSS being the thinnest, which is not thin at all. I mean, look at that. That is not thin, right? So let's have a quick browse through and see. It has 493 pages, as you can see. The book is called HTML and CSS, Designed and Build Website. The author is John Duckett, right? John Duckett. So that's one way to find the book online if you want to buy it, because you should buy it, right? So let's just have a quick browse through. It's just gonna be quick. As you can see, you got your intros, but I want you to pause on this right here. Here's where I want you to pause. Okay, just take a look at this, and then let's go. That's called content or index, right? So I mean, take a look at this. Take a look at this book right here. See there? The layout, everything is set for you to read. Look at this. All for beginners. Doesn't matter you're a beginner, you're a professional. You can just enjoy this book everywhere. You see that? You see that? It's coding. It's coding. Don't worry about the small animals there. It's learning how to code. Okay? I mean, look at this. Look at how nicely laid out it is. You know, you got your pictures, you got your examples. You know, it has color in it. You know, it changes the pages and everything. And yeah, it's just pure CSS and HTML, right? You see this? Layouts. It's a very, very enjoyable book, very powerful book. You can read it the whole day. Look at this. Now remember, I'm just highlighting through all these pages right here. I'm not even going through each and every page, right? Now these are just reminders and memories, right? I don't know if you can see this through the light. I don't know if it's too much light here. You see that? To memorize. So everything you needed, right? Here we go. That's the book right there. CSS. Now let's jump into the next one. The next one is called JavaScript and jQuery, right? Same author, John Duckett. It's a very great author. Now, as you can see, I've been reading this for a long time. So let's just go through the pages. Look at this. 623 pages, right? So we're increasing a little bit here. So I mean, look at this. You learn about functions, you learn about placing, and oh my god, look how beautiful the book is. Look at this. It's coding. Okay, it's very friendly. Okay, it's very friendly for anybody, whether you went to university to learn coding or not. It doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter. It's very friendly. So I mean, thank you to John Duckett. Okay, look at this. Look at the layout on this. For the first time, I've seen a book that can explain like this. Like, look at this. It's very user, it's very friendly, and it's just awesome. It's just awesome. Look at this. Look at this. You go through loops in depth, and you just learn. You just keep learning. You just keep learning. You learn about objects, right? So if you're gonna be learning from my tutorials, this is one of the books you should have right here, because we're gonna be referring to these books, and as I teach you, you're gonna be referring to the book, and you're gonna be learning on your own aside, and I'm gonna be answering questions from these books. I don't mind. That's why I'm saying subscribe right now, so you won't miss a thing. It's coding. It's very deep coding. Okay, this is not just coding for kids. It's very deep coding. Look how awesome it is. Awesome. Love it, love it. Same thing. You got these memories to memorize, the codes and everything. You get it? You get it? Awesome. Here we go. Same author, same design. John Duckett. Very thick, very thick. But now to the PHP and Mysequel book, right? Same author, John Duckett. Now let's just review this. Let's just check on the pages first. 662 pages. Okay, see, now we're serious. Now we're serious. Now you want to learn, right? Now you want to learn. Let's just browse through. Let me just bring you closer a little bit. I feel like you're too far. All right, there you go. There you go. Let me just set up. Okay, thank you. Just go through this PHP book. I mean, look at this. Isn't this awesome? Isn't this awesome? It's PHP. It's PHP. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you. This book is very thick. Okay? It's very thick. But it teaches you everything. I repeat, everything about PHP, coding, Mysequel. And this is the book that will make you the expert right here. Okay? And the JavaScript one, you know, but this one, I mean, just look at how thick it is. Just look at how nicely laid out it is. Awesome. Dates and time. I'm just gonna, I mean, I can't show you everything. Let me just browse through quickly. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Just going through. There's a lot you can learn from here. All right, a lot. Some things I won't cover on the videos, so you need the book to cover those things on your own. Okay, I can't explain everything in details, in deep details in the videos, in my tutorials, but these books can, right? So all you need to do is just follow up to my tutorials. So what you can do right now is subscribe to my channel, and then me and you gonna be friends, right? Now remember, I don't just teach coding. It's graphic designing and filming and editing and all that. I mentioned it. So here we go. Your 3 books. I mean, depending on your language. I mean, if you want to do something else, maybe C++ or something, you know, you don't want to do PHP, it's fine though, you know. But at the end of the day, you need this one and this one, right? You need this one, the HTML and CSS, and then you need this one, the JavaScript and jQuery, right? That one you cannot run away from, right? The PHP one, yes, maybe you can run away from that, because depending on your type of language. Which one do you like? You know, maybe it's not PHP. So yeah. With all that being said, I would like to welcome you to my channel. My name is Brainstorm, and I would like to identify all of this as highlights. The real videos are coming, and they should find you here. And the only way to do that is to subscribe. When you subscribe and press that bell icon thing, now every time I post a video, you'll be here waiting for me, and I for you. My name is Brainstorm, and I will see you in a scroll.